Right, here we go. First flight with the Sinbad. Just put a couple of clicks of down in. Oh, another nice little thermal coming up the hill. Lovely. Beautiful. Well, there she goes. I've had a fun hour with the Sinbad. It's a cracking little thermaler. Gives you some idea. I kept the rudder as is. The elevator I've reduced considerably. I've got a little bit of up elevator in it, but it floats around. Now, other interesting thing is the covering is absolutely fine, and the other interesting thing, you know, I have put it in some of these gorse bushes while I'm mucking about, and there's absolutely no cuts or marks. It's very, very robust. So, one micro Sinbad.